Hey, what's up guys? It's Mark and I don't know who that is, but the buddy needs to practice his cornering. Anyway, episode number 29 in your face and a BMW on your tail. You know what's gonna come, impatience, running over a no-cross area and exceeding the speed limit like seriously. But behold, this boy got some more tricks up his sleeve on a whole different level. It was a cab, the bane of the roads all over the world. Whoa, watch it!
Alter!
Oh man, I don't know if you saw that, but that bus driver pulled a really stupid move. Taking over a cyclist in a corner and swerving onto the other lane quite much. Somebody needs a driver training. Ah, nice, back on the quick bike with wonderfully smooth video. And you know the deal, must be overtaken! The car driver wasn't expecting to lose this battle, I guess, if you can say so, because if he pulls the card of recklessness, car will always win against bike. But if he doesn't pull this card, we'll certainly find somebody who does. Now, time for the Uno reverse card. We are slightly below the speed limit, but that guy doesn't seem to know. The camera driver told us he should have kept more distance, which is true. Other than that, we have talked about how people should be removed from all traffic who almost stop in front of the speed trap because they are just that ridiculously insecure. And well, about that insecurity... Holy cow, that was a good smash. Turned out the driver had a very new license and seemed a little... clumsy with the controls. I say, the more tech cars have only makes them more expensive, but not safer. This idiot doesn't waste a single look to traffic from behind, even though his car is warning him about it. Even when receiving a major hunk of death, he keeps moving over like the freeway is his alone. You are the man! And by the way, our driver is not flashing at him. This weird light pattern comes from LED headlights and camera shutter not liking each other. Alright, prepare yourself to see a dead man.
Könnte er sein, Digga. Meine Abfahrt.
This mindless racing driver will not be alive for long anymore if he keeps going like that. Who knows if he's even still alive as you are watching this? And yes, I say dead man because no woman drives in such a fashion. Like this guy here. Women sometimes have other issues, but certainly not mistaking their ride for a cruise missile. Okay, different story. What we are about to witness here is not a matter of crazy speeds. Take a look at this mixer truck over there, and take a look at his driving. He keeps swerving all over the place, getting close to many other cars, in this other shot running a red light that has basically been red for the last 20 years, and at some point our good man has seen enough and decides to give the cops a call. He stays in contact with them all the time as he's following the truck so that he can lead them for them to actually arrive where needed. However though, the cops couldn't move out fast enough before the driver would cause an incident. Like a minute later, the truck reaches another red light and at least stops before that one.
Bitte warten Sie. Das Gespräch wird gehalten.
Did you recognize that? Here, check it out again and take a listen.
Wird gehalten.
The truck driver rear-ended another car waiting at the light, and I guess that little honk came from the impact and he bumped his wheel. To clear things up, a short while later the cops arrived and examined the driver. Turned out this guy was totally drunk, what you might have already guessed by now. His brain was melted down so far that he kinda rolled into this car. Also when he got out of the truck, he was barely able to walk properly. He might have been pretty wasted, and even without further information, I am sure this guy is not driving a truck again any soon. It was really a matter of luck that his booze run didn't end in a head-on collision, without a doubt killing somebody, but only with a messed up trunk lid. Alright, we got a Tesla cam, cruising a country road. And suddenly, we are passing a farming trailer that supposedly was very tired and needed to lay on the side for a nap. I'm sorry for the farmer, he may have just kept himself a tad too far to the right for making space for cars, and boom! Tractor and trailer ending their relationship. Hans, it's all your own fault. How dare you being in the way when a superior human being wants to enter the freeway at the last second? Think about your behavior, damn it! Huh, look at that. You can't see it because of the censoring, but this guy has written cocky all over his forehead. Wow, look at this narrow road, what a joy. The van driver sees no other chance for clearing this traffic jam but to move back and try to let the camera driver pass. So what was the honking for? It wasn't for the van, if you thought so. Let's take a look again and watch to the left side.
Alter, was ist los bei ihm?
Impatient motherfucker on the sidewalk. This one is easy to miss, so just telling you, the oncoming driver is running some proper red, as we got a long green already. And our final clip tells the epic story again of some random caveman who needs to compensate something. Him cutting off our driver for no reason, receiving a well-deserved flashing, to then return a brake check, followed up by him showing his big engine, which is there for compensating his not very big brain and testicles. Bye, dipshit. Alright, we are done again already. If this episode felt too short for you, simply feel free to watch another one. Or another 20. Plenty of stuff there and more to come. Stay safe, I'll be back soon. Just gotta find this goddamn cookie first.